वेल बीइंग एन एक्टर इज नो केक वॉक। कितनी बार देखा गया है कि हमारे नामचीन कलाकार जो आज अपनी लाइफ में एक मुकाम हासिल कर चुके हैं, एक हाइट पे पहुंच चुके हैं, उन्होंने भी अपनी लाइफ, अपने करियर में काफी सारे स्ट्रगल्स देखे हैं, काफी सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स देखे हैं। और कितनी बार देखा गया है कि कुछ कलाकार जहां एक तरफ काफी कंफर्टेबल होते हैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में, पास्ट के बारे में खुलासा करते हुए, वहीं दूसरी तरफ कुछ कलाकार ऐसे भी हैं जो अपनी लाइफ के बारे में शेयर करने में बिलीव नहीं करते। हमारी इंडस्ट्री में काफी सारी ऐसी डेथ्स हुई हैं जिनको टैग किया गया है मिस्टीरियस डेथ्स के अंडर, और कितनी बार इन्हीं मिस्टीरियस डेथ्स के साथ निकल के सामने आई हैं बहुत ही शॉकिंग कंट्रोवर्सीज। और एक ही ऐसी मिस्टीरियस डेथ थी बालिका वधू की लीडिंग लेडी प्रत्युषा बैनर्जी की, जिन्होंने एक सुबह आत्महत्या कर ली थी, अपने घर में खुद को लटका के मार डाला था। और आज भी इनकी इस डेथ के ऊपर काफी सारे सवाल उठाए जाते हैं, काफी सारे सवाल पूछे जाते हैं। और इन्हीं के साथ जुड़ा था पास्ट में भी नामचीन कलाकार का, यानी विकास गुप्ता का। विकास ने अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में कितनी बार काफी सारे खुलासे किए हैं, चाहे वो हो प्रत्युषा बैनर्जी के साथ अपने रिलेशनशिप के बारे में, या फिर पार्थ समथान, प्रियांक शर्मा, कृतिका कामरा, करण कुंद्रा या किसी के साथ भी अपने लाइफ लॉन्ग बॉन्ड्स के बारे में। विकास ने कितनी बार अपने दिल का हाल बयां करते हुए, बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट कन्फेशंस करते हुए नजर आए हैं। एक लीडिंग पोर्ट से बात करते हुए विकास गुप्ता ने काफी सारे शॉकिंग खुलासे किए, जिसमें से एक था अबाउट एक्चुअली एक्सेप्टिंग एंड रिवीलिंग अबाउट हिज बॉन्ड विद प्रत्युषा बैनर्जी. He took the questions even on his friction with his parents and brother owing to his sexuality quite comfortably. जब विकास से पूछा गया कि क्या वाकई में controversies are his middle name because it seems like that, तो विकास कहते हैं, I was a very emotional person and used to react a lot. With time I have understood that I don't have to react to everything everybody says. Else it just gives mileage to other people. Hence, I rarely give interviews these days. When asked about the family relationship, primarily the bond that he shares with his mother and his brother that has actually soared. It was because of his sexuality. उनके बाइसेक्सुअल होने के बारे में सच्चाई बाहर आ गई थी। इसी बारे में जब उनसे पूछा गया कि उनकी माँ का क्या रिएक्शन था, क्या कहा था उन्होंने, तो विकास कहते हैं, I don't think my mom said precisely that. She is not comfortable with English and so her quotes which got published in certain section of the media are not in toto. Nonetheless, keeping that aside, this question of why they moved out should be asked to them. Anyway, I have tried to stay away from my family for a large part of time recently because I realized that no matter how much you love certain people, they won't love you back in a similar way. And when for a long time you keep giving love and don't get it back, आदमी खाली हो जाता है अंदर से, and that's what happened to me. But it isn't that we don't have any contact. Recently, my parents were staying in this very house of mine where I'm talking to you from. My mom was staying with my brother and he was in Maldives, where he got struck because he contracted the COVID-19 virus. I don't like people to suffer and I would help them as much as possible as I can. जब उनसे सवाल उठाया गया उनकी बाइसेक्सुअलिटी पर, पूछा गया कि वो कब था जब उनके माँ बाप, उनके घर वालों को पता चला about his sexual orientation, तो विकास कहते हैं, Siddharth had an idea. Mom didn't know about it. I think my mom got an idea in 2015 when Parth filed a fake case against me. But they did not want to go against the public, primarily because my sister was married in Rajkot to a very orthodox family. You see, it was all about log kya kahenge wala fact. The very fact that I wasn't invited to my brother's birthday party, which my mother attended, was a proof enough that they did not really want to associate with me because they felt ashamed about the person I really was. And eventually I spoke about it. Initially, I decided to keep quiet about it. I am not a person who has not experimented things in life. I am someone who has adventures in my bedroom. But because I was hiding those relationships, my partners were not respecting them either. Furthermore, I saw that certain people started taking advantage of that very same thing. They started blackmailing me over it. Even if I was flirting with someone on Snapchat, they would record that and send it to me, saying that if I did not do this, they would do that, and so on. And then there were people like Priyank Sharma and others who thought that I'm very vulnerable and this is my weak point, and people could win against me if I am attacked on this. This was something that people who were jealous and competitive started using against me. Imagine people having a relationship for 2-3 years and then turning out and saying that you touched me inappropriately. How lame can they be? जब उनसे पूछा गया कि क्या उनका बाइसेक्सुअलिटी के बारे में खुलासा करने का सबसे बड़ा कारण ये था कि वो जो उनके दोस्त हैं उनको वो ना खोएं, उनके दोस्त उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करें, उनके साथ रहें, was that the reason behind it? विकास रिवील करते हुए कहते हैं, if you have been in a relationship with a guy, he has always known that you are bisexual and I've never lied. So the answer is no. And with the girl that you talk about, the 2 women that I have actually been with always knew the truth. जब उनसे सवाल उठाया गया कि वो कौन थी वो दो अदाकाराएं जिनके साथ उनका रिलेशन था, तो विकास ने खुलासा करते हुए कहा, वन वॉज प्रत्युषा बैनर्जी, आई डोंट वांट टू नेम द अदर वन नाउ। जब उनसे पूछा गया कि क्या प्रत्युषा, द लेट प्रत्युषा बैनर्जी जिनको आपने बालिका वधू में देखा था, डिड शी नो अबाउट विकास गुप्ता बीइंग अ बाइसेक्सुअल, तो विकास खुलासा करते हुए कहते हैं, प्रत्युषा गॉट टू नो अबाउट इट आफ्टर वी ब्रोक अप, वी वर टुगेदर फॉर अ शॉर्ट स्पैन, द ब्रेकअप रीजन वुड बी दैट some people spoke bad about me to her, but I don't want to get into the details that she is no more. I was very angry with her after the breakup. I avoided her then when I saw her on the road once. She called me to ask that how could I do that. I liked Pratyusha really. I wanted to do a big project with her, but then it couldn't happen. जब उनसे पूछा गया did he actually meet Rahul Raj Singh before Pratyusha passed away, तो इस बारे में रिवील करते हुए विशाल कहते हैं, the visual I remember of Rahul Raj Singh is he was eating chips outside the hospital when Pratyusha died by suicide. I entered to see Markan Malhotra was around and he was calling people up. Pratyusha had dated Markan before Rahul Raj Singh, and that was the sweetest relationship of her life, I would say. When confirmed that had he met Rahul before that, Vikas कहते हैं, I think I had when I went for Pratyusha's birthday once. She invited me. However, I did not stay there for too long. I was not friendly with that particular group, so I chose to leave. इसी बारे में आगे बात करते हुए उनके पर्सनल लाइफ के खुलासे करते हुए विकास से जब सवाल उठाया गया अबाउट हिज बॉन्ड विद कृतिका कामरा, जिन्होंने रिसेंटली सबको सरप्राइज कर दिया था अपनी स्टेटमेंट से ये कहते हुए दैट शी लॉस्ट अ फ्रेंड एज विकास इज नॉट द सेम पर्सन दैट शी रियली न्यू, विकास ने इस बात पे अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू शेयर किया। विकास कहते हैं, हाउ वुड शी नो मी व्हेन शी हैजंट इंटरैक्टेड विद मी सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम। कृतिका एंड आई हैवंट स्पोकन फॉर 3 to 4 years now. मैसेज का रिप्लाई करोगे तो ही यू वुड नो नॉट टू बी इन टच. I must add here that couples, when they break up, feel that there are two camps. Like I knew Karan Kundra and Kritika Kamra both when they were together. I was working with Karan rather regularly. I see no reason to actually continue contacting people who did not really want to keep in touch with me. There have been issues in my life and my friends should pick up the phone and talk. No. Yes, Kritika has lost a friend and even I lost a friend in her case. जब उनसे ये सवाल पूछा गया कि कृतिका का उनसे अलग हो जाने का सबसे बड़ा कारण ये था क्योंकि करण और कृतिका में से उन्होंने करण की साइड चूज करी, तो इस बात पे विकास अपना साइड देते हुए कहते हैं, आई डोंट थिंक कृतिका इज लाइक दैट, बट हर स्टेटमेंट ऑन मी डिड मेक मी फील क्वाइट ऑकवर्ड. When asking about that if he actually tried patching up Karan Kundra, his dear friend, and Anusha Dandekar when he got to know about their breakup, Vikas Gupta कहते हैं, I did whenever they had issues, bearing the last time when they finally parted ways. But I was wrongly blamed for leaking the news of their breakup. I was really hurt and I did not proceed to patch them up at all. There were other things that happened after that too, which I wouldn't like to talk about now. When asking about has the equation between Vikas and Karan changed, Vikas confirms and says, my equation with Karan had changed much before the split of Anusha. I think we have outgrown with each other as friends, but he still has one of those who has hurt me directly. But he is still one of those who hasn't hurt me directly, and I still shall call him if I need him, and that's the bond that I share with him. बात करते हुए दिव्या और वरुण के साथ उनके रिश्ते की और उनके बॉन्ड की, विकास उनके बारे में खुलासा करते हुए कहते हैं that I really don't want to talk about them. There are other people involved here in families of both whom I really respect. Talking about प्रियांक शर्मा जिनके साथ उनका मेजर शोडाउन हुआ था, जिनके साथ उनके बिग फाइट हुई थी मुंबई के JW मैरियट में। जी हाँ दोस्तों, इन दोनों के बीच में काफी बड़ा शोडाउन हुआ था, जिसके बाद खबरें आई थी that विकास actually refused to do an OTT show because of that. और was the reason behind it that he was asked not to do? इसी बारे में बात करते हुए विकास रिवील करते हैं और कहते हैं, The first part of Punch Beat was a big success, but my entire journey of making it was truly difficult. There were times when the actor was not coming on the set, saying that he has got a problem in one of his legs. We were told that his leg would have to be amputated if not rested. He would vanish. Post that, we saw him in a wheelchair and then he was dancing at a wedding. That leg has still not been operated. It was a torture, complete torture. I lost a lot of money and happiness, and I realized that you have to give up on certain things if you really want to be in an environment conducive of your work. You don't need popular people to make shows. I'm making the next 2 seasons of Class 2020 and one more show of Ekta Kapoor, and I can prove you that point here. विकास की लाइफ में काफी सारी ऐसी कंट्रोवर्सीज है जिनके बारे में विकास ने कभी भी शाय हुए नहीं किया है बात करते हुए, एंड वन सच वाज पार्थ संथान की कंट्रोवर्सी। इसी बारे में बात करते हुए जब उनसे पूछा गया कि क्या वो आने वाले वक्त में पार्थ के साथ काम करना चाहेंगे, तो विकास कहते हैं, He won't be bad to his work. I will work with Parth if I don't have a choice, but I shall not work with Priyank because my work will actually suffer in that bit. Not only that, बात करते हुए जब उनसे पूछा गया that you have had a very strained relationship with your father almost since the childhood. What is the story behind it? He said, I sort of went ahead with my mother's perspective of her relationship with my father, but I figured out my dad is the one who's actually stayed with me for a year recently. Whatever memories I couldn't make with him earlier, I managed to make with him in the lockdown period, and that were blissful. While asking that if his parents are still not on the same page, Vikas confirms that I've now understood that the companionship is completely essential. They are talking to each other now. Overall, अपने प्रोफेशनल एंड पर्सनल लाइफ को टिल डेट तक सम अप करते हुए विकास गुप्ता इस पूरी कॉन्वर्सेशन को एंड करते हुए कहते हैं, आई एक्सपेक्टेड अ लॉट फ्रॉम मेनी ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स, बट योर जर्नी इज योर ओनली जर्नी. Respect your journey and don't be emotional to push others ahead of yourself. Well, we can only say that even if Vikas has had a lot of hardships in his life, he has managed to pretty much rise like a rising flame and has managed to woo all of his fans. आज भी विकास की अपनी एक फैन आर्मी है जो कि उनको हर मुसीबत, हर बुरे पल में, हर खुशी के पल में सपोर्ट करती हुई, कामयाबी में उनको मुबारकबाद देती हुई नजर आती है. हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ विकास को गुड लक विश कर सकते हैं उनके आने वाले फ्यूचर और करियर के लिए. आप हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में विकास के इस एलैबोरेटेड कन्फेशंस के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे, जरूर शेयर करिएगा. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.